Welcome back, y'all, to the kitchen on the homestead at Aloha-Acres. Ooh. Let's turn on some lights. 1:15. King was covered from head to toe with greenhouse juice and some other juice from other areas of the homestead, but came back in, took a shower. I'm gonna make some breakfast or lunch. Haven't gotten there yet. But something needs to be done. We had a whole bunch of pickles, and we got some garlic scapes shoved down in there, some radishes, and some carrots. Now, there are those city folk that are saying they like crispy pickles. Well, they mean like Clausen crispy. Well, these gonna be crispy, but Clausen doesn't have one ingredient in theirs that you're gonna taste real heavy in this. And I went heavy on it. I mean, yeah, I know garlic scapes and homegrown carrots and homegrown pickles and all that stuff. Yeah, that ain't the ingredient. TLC. Few storms possible this afternoon. I hope. My corn needs some watering. What did I say? Yeah, TLC. It's gonna be over the top with TLC. Recipe I follow says just leave them uncapped and let them sit there for better part of an hour, and then screw them down and stick them in the fridge. So we shall see what they taste like. I got my other pickles. They're kind of a bread and butter pickle that I made earlier, and they got onions and garlic and red pepper in there. It's kind of a spicy, sweet pickle. They're tasty, man. Crunchy too. And yep, it's got TLC in it, what Clausen doesn't have. So come to the homestead, enjoy the pickles, eat them. There's plenty. Oh my gosh, I got a couple hundred pickles out there that are coming in. I mean, literally in the next 2 days. And I got meat birds that need butchering. The king needs to start getting up earlier, like 4 o'clock. Plan is I am going out and try and set up the butchering stations, and I'm gonna have myself a private chicken slaughtering tomorrow. I'm gonna try and do 16. I figured 16 and then 20 and then the balance, 3 different days. There's a lot of cleaning up to do, so I would much rather do them in 2 days, but with just one person, I think 3 is way more realistic. So we'll go with the slow and steady approach, and we'll try 16 the first day. Like I said, guys, been a long time. I mean, I killed that chicken that got run over. Killed the snake. I mean, I can kill things. It's not my favorite thing. And if you guys want, I will video it and cut it so that y'all that want to see chickens bleed can see chickens bleed. Y'all that don't and just want to see the evisceration and the guts come out, well, I'll do some of that for you too. And the chicken plucking and all that good stuff. So I'm going to spend some time today. Freezer's in place. I got to go get ice tonight, and I'm going to spend some time today getting myself really ready and prepared, so that all I got to do, go out with my UTV and grab myself. I'll probably do 4. Ole, I'm speaking, okay? You be patient. Probably do 4 at a time, meaning that I'll go cut 2, let them bleed, and then make sure that the temperature in the water and everything is good. Hey, that's enough. That's enough. And then I'll take them, scald them, pluck them. That's enough. Do the eviscerate, throw them in. That's enough. Quiet. Quiet. She's such a good girl. Somehow or another I'm going to get a flow going. What I want is maybe right after I pluck them, before I start eviscerating them, I'll cut the others and let them bleed out while I'm cleaning out the others and get them on, or throw them into some cold ice. Actually, I'm going to use well water first to take the temperature down and then put them on ice. So Haoli will be in the house. I got too many boiling hot things and water and then knives and things like that. So she's gonna have to hang out in the house while I'm butchering. And I think I can get it done by 9-10 o'clock at the, when they're on ice, and then get cleaned up. And I want to get it done before the flies get bad. So real early, it's just going to be 90 degrees this whole next 10 days. Every day is going to be 90 something. And those birds are, they are hot. They're stressed. Middle of the day, they're like trying to cool down. I gave them water 3 times yesterday, cold water. So I need to, I'm gonna weigh them today. If any of them are over 7 pounds, which I think they are, we were 6.5 last week. So I think there's a bunch that are over 7. Those are the guys that are going. So we'll let you know. Love y'all, guys.